Hi, I'm Joe, CTO at Dopt. I'm going to walk through using Dopt to quickly ship a tooltip that not only alerts users to a new setting or preference in your app, but actually lets them configure it directly within the tooltip. This is a pattern that companies like Slack use. It's extremely effective at driving adoption of new settings or preferences that are otherwise undiscoverable, but that can greatly improve a user's experience. Imagine that you just added dark mode to your product and want to announce it to your users. If you add a tooltip on your settings icon announcing dark mode that also allows users to enable it directly from the tooltip, you are making users aware dark mode now exists and making it easier for those who want to enable it to do so, which teaches everyone where they can find it in the future. Building this with Dopt is simple. First, we'll create a flow. I've created one here and named it dark mode toggle, and I've added a Tor block with a single step inside it. If we drill into the step, you can see I've configured the Tor title and Tor body. I've defined both a complete and dismiss edge coming out of the Tor block. This will allow me to uniquely track which users enabled dark mode and which users dismiss the Tor step. Implementing this experience in your code is simple. I'll start by copying the hook usage from Dopt and pasting it into my code. The hook will return state content and methods that I can use to complete the step and progress the flow. I'll use Dopt's React Tor UI component in this example. You can copy the code for it out of our usage pane here. I'm going to paste the code over the settings icon here and replace the button that was in the copied code with the settings icon. This gives us a tooltip coming off our settings icon with the configured content from Dopt. There are some parts we want to get rid of, like this dot here, and we want to add a dark mode button. Our components are a simple composable set of primitives. We want to get rid of some pieces here, so let's delete the footer and the progress bar. Cool, we're closer to where we want to get. Now we just need to add the dark mode. All right, let's add a button to enable dark mode. I'm going to use our button component and add an icon and save. Cool. All right, last step, I'm going to wire this enable dark mode button to setting the correct theme in the app and finishing the Tor in Dopt. You can see over here, I've added an on-click handler that sets the theme to dark mode and calls next on the Tor. Let's see if it works. Awesome. Once implemented, you can see how many users have seen and completed the flow, including how many enabled dark mode versus dismissed the tooltip. You can find this all in our Analytics tab. And there you have it, a targeted tooltip announcing a new setting that users can opt into directly from within the experience, built in less than 3 minutes.